Have you been thinking about downsizing or moving closer to friends and family? Hi, my name is Trudy Scott, and I specialize in helping seniors sell their homes, often as part of a move closer to their friends and family, a retirement community, or to enjoy a better climate. Selling a home can feel overwhelming, especially when it's one you've lived in for many years. My job is to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. So it's going to start with a detailed home value analysis and a clear plan to prepare your home for the market without overdoing it or overspending. I coordinate the photography, the marketing, showings, and all the details so you don't have to. Once you receive an offer, I carefully negotiate on your behalf and guide you through the inspections, the paperwork, and timelines. I'm very hands-on, highly responsive, and committed to protecting your best interests every step of the way. As a top producing agent with a strong focus on seniors, I take pride in being patient, organized, and dedicated. My goal is to give you peace of mind while helping you move confidently into your next chapter. If you're thinking about selling, I'd be honored to help.